Let's start these always with the usual, the tradition. We gotta scrank it up. Take the first sip of the day. I want to start today's stream with a quick little inking lesson. Since I'm currently working on this, I want to show my little vector layer hack real quick. First things first, look at your layers over here. You go to these little 3 bars. If you go to new layers, new vector layer. Pop up a dialog box like this. Go ahead and hit OK. It's gonna have a weird little cube. That's how you know that's a vector layer. It's this little cube here. You grab your pen tool, and then you just start drawing lines. And let's just say you don't want this line right here anymore. You can grab your eraser and slowly erase it out. Or you can be cool and change it to the second option right here under vector erasers. This destroys intersections, so it's easy to clean up your lines. And this helps me out a lot because I like to draw through and then erase out what I don't want. Alright, groovy. That's how you make easy, clean shapes. So there's 2 ways to fill. Manually do it with brush strokes, or the way I've learned. So you go to this little option here. I believe it's set as reference. And then you can see like a little reference, little tower. Then you make a raster layer right below it, or file new, raster layer. So it does not have the cube. You grab your paint bucket tool and make sure it's also under reference. So whatever has the reference is going to react to that layer. Let me show you how it works. If you click outside this shape, it colors everything outside the shape. Or the way I like to use it to color everything inside the shape. And that's how I can ink real quick. Then we go back to this, and then we can kind of just blend it out. And there it is. That's how I ink. Alright, so there's one more thing. Since it's vector, you can grab and then you can actually adjust your lines as needed. And you can affect the size this way. So you can adjust your line art. This also comes in handy a lot when I'm trying to make sure the lines look just right. Alright, and that's our quick little inking lesson. Bug out. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe.